Hi everyone, welcome to Single Step English. I'm Steve, and before we start this role play, I just want to thank you for watching my channel. And please remember to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. It will really help me out. In this role play video, it's really important to watch it until the end so you can experience the call center agent using a great upselling technique. Also, you'll learn some great ways that the call center agent is able to engage in small talk. I'm sure you're really going to enjoy this video, so let's get started.
Mastering call center, agent small talk and upselling. Conversation number 1, call center agent and customer.
Thank you for calling Global Net Support. My name is Riley. How can I assist you today?
Hi there. My internet has been running really slow for the past 2 days, and I'm not sure why.
I'm sorry to hear that. I know how frustrating that can be. May I ask where you're calling from today?
I'm located just outside Chicago, Illinois.
Thank you for that. Let me check our coverage for your area. This might take a few minutes.
I have an important online meeting later today, so I really need my connection to work smoothly.
I completely understand, and I'll do my best to get you up and running. By the way, I hear Chicago can be quite cold this time of year.
The idiom up and running means that something is working and ready to use. For example, if a call center agent says, "I will get you up and running in no time," it means they will make sure everything is set up and working quickly so you can start using it without any problems.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely freezing. We got about a foot of snow last night, and I had to shovel my driveway this morning.
Wow, sounds like a tough way to start your day. How long did that take?
Oh, about an hour. I don't know. I suppose it's like getting a gym workout without paying for a membership.
Ah, that's so true. I guess it's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You get in some exercise and then have a clear driveway.
Killing 2 birds with 1 stone means doing one action that solves 2 problems or achieves 2 goals at the same time. We use it in a positive way to show that a person is saving time and being efficient by completing 2 things.
Exactly. When I was a kid, I used to shovel my neighbors' driveways and made some pretty good money from it.
That sounds like a nice winter side hustle.
The expression side hustle refers to a side job or some additional income that supplements your full-time job.
Actually, for me, YouTube is a side hustle.
Now, back to your internet issue. I see that there have been some temporary connectivity problems in the Chicago area. Could you please provide me with your zip code?
Sure, my zip code is 60093.
Thanks. Let me pinpoint whether there's been a slowdown in your area. This may take a moment. May I place you on a brief hold while I check?
That's fine. Oh, and just in case we get disconnected, what's your name again?
My name is Riley. It shouldn't take long. Please hold. Hello, sir?
Yes, I'm still here.
Thanks for holding. I just checked, and it looks like there was a minor service disruption in your area, but things should be back to normal now. Just to be sure, let's try restarting your router.
Okay, let me do that. I just need to find the reset button. Hold on. Nope, not that one. Ah, I think this is it. Yup, it's restarting.
Perfect. While we wait, do you primarily use your internet for work, or is it more for streaming and social media?
I work remotely, so I rely on a strong connection for video calls. It's a huge part of my job, but I also use it for streaming at night.
Got it. A stable connection is definitely a must for that. I know slow internet can throw a wrench in your workflow.
In this sentence, throw a wrench in means to cause a problem that stops or slows down a plan, process, or situation. The agent could also use the past tense of throw with threw or thrown. For example, it looks like a technical issue has thrown a wrench in your connection, but I'll fix it for you.
Absolutely. It can be a nightmare when I'm on a client call and my screen freezes up.
Freezes up means to stop working or moving properly, usually because of a problem. It can describe technology, like a video or computer, or a person who gets too nervous to speak.
Oh, the light is flashing. Just a sec. Yup, my connection is back. Let me test it out.
Try opening a few different websites. Sometimes pages load from your browser cache instead of refreshing in real time.
That's a good idea. Let me check. Oh, wow, this page loaded pretty fast. Let's try another one. Yep, much better than before.
That's great to hear. By the way, if you ever run into connectivity issues again, placing your router in a central location can help improve your coverage, especially for video calls.
Yeah, I know, but my router is in the living room, and my home office is on the other side of the house.
I see. In that case, you may want to consider mesh Wi-Fi.
Mesh? Like wire mesh?
Same spelling. But let me explain how the technology works. Instead of relying on a single router, mesh Wi-Fi uses multiple small devices, called nodes, that work together to spread the signal evenly throughout your home.
So, it's like having extra hands helping to carry the signal where it needs to go?
Exactly. It eliminates dead zones and provides a smooth and steady connection no matter where you are in your house.
Dead zones are the places in a home where the internet connection is very weak or does not connect at all.
That sounds like a possible solution to my situation. Would it really make a noticeable difference?
Absolutely. It helps distribute your internet speed evenly, so you won't experience frustrating drop-offs when you move away from your main router.
That would make my workday a lot easier. I don't know why I haven't heard about this before. Guess I've been too busy working.
Well, that's totally understandable. Mesh Wi-Fi has only been around for the last couple of years.
Does the mesh system cost more than my current setup?
Your monthly plan will be about the same, but you would need to either rent the mesh Wi-Fi hardware from us or purchase your own equipment.
How much does it cost if I rent it?
The rental fee is $24.99 per month for the router and one satellite. If you need extra nodes, they're $4.99 each per month.
Oh, when you say satellites, you mean the nodes, right?
Exactly. Different companies call them different things, but they all perform the same function.
Gotcha. How do I figure out how many nodes I need?
The size and construction of your home play a big role.
By construction, you mean whether it's made of wood or concrete?
Exactly. Do you happen to know the size of your home?
It's about 3,400 square feet, and it's a wooden house. Of course, the foundation is concrete.
Thanks. The foundation is not an issue. Your signal only needs to pass through the wood frame. For that size home, let me just confirm this. Yes, I'd recommend one router plus 2 nodes to ensure full coverage. That will provide the necessary coverage for your home.
So, if my math is correct, I'm looking at about $30 more per month, right?
Yes, that's right. Approximately $30 more per month.
Got it. Let me just jot that down. And where should I place them? The nodes.
You definitely want to place one node in your home office. This will ensure your video calls run smoothly. The second one should be placed in an area where you frequently use the internet, but currently experience a weak signal.
Right. I guess I can use my laptop to check on that. Oh, and are these nodes wireless?
Yes, but they do need to be plugged into an electrical outlet.
Ah, got it. This actually sounds like an ideal fix for my setup.
If that's the case, would you like to sign up for the mesh Wi-Fi?
I was on the fence at first, but now, yeah, I think I'm on board. What the heck? Sign me up.
In this sentence, we have 2 idioms. The first one is on the fence. This means being undecided about something. At first, the customer was on the fence about getting mesh Wi-Fi. They weren't sure if they wanted to sign up. The second idiom is on board, which means ready to join something or support a decision. The customer is on board about signing up for the new mesh Wi-Fi system.
That's a great choice. I'm sure you'll notice the difference right away.
As long as my video calls don't freeze, I'll be extremely happy.
I'm confident this will really improve your video calls. First, I'll need to look up your account information. May I have your first and last name, please?
Yeah, my first name is Jacob, and my last name is Krawczyk.
Could you please spell your last name for me?
It's spelled Krawczyk.
Thank you, Mr. Krawczyk. Did I say that correctly?
Yes, that was pretty good. Don't worry. Most folks have trouble pronouncing my last name.
Well, that's good to know. Let me find your account. May I call you Jacob?
Sure, but most people call me Jake.
Thank you, Jake. One moment. All right. I just need to confirm your home address.
Sure, go right ahead.
You're located at 4207 Midway Street, and that's in Winnetka, Illinois. Is that correct, sir?
Yup, that's it.
Great. Right now, you have the business internet plan. You are currently paying $78 per month.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Would you prefer to rent the router and satellites from us, or would you like to purchase them?
Oh, right, you mentioned that before. Can I rent them to start and then maybe buy my own later?
Of course. That will be perfectly fine. We will need to schedule someone to come install the new router and set up the nodes. Is there a day or time that best works for you?
I'm usually home most weekdays, but next Thursday afternoon would probably be the best day for me.
Let me see if our technician is free that day. Again, can I place you on a brief hold while I check on that?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Thank you, sir. Hello, Jake?
Yes, I'm still here.
Good news. The technician is available next Thursday afternoon. Will that work for you?
Yes, Thursday afternoon is perfect. Hey, is there anything I need to do on my end?
The expression on my end means from my side or from my perspective. A call center agent may often say to a customer, "Everything looks fine on my end." This means that everything looks okay. I see no problems.
No, nothing much. As long as the tech has access to your current router, and you just need to tell them where you would like to place the 2 satellites or nodes.
Sure, I can do that. I'm looking forward to this new mesh Wi-Fi. I only wish I knew about it sooner.
I'm so glad I could help you come up with a solution to your internet situation, Jake. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think I'm good.
I'm sure you'll notice better coverage throughout your home. One more thing. Would you mind taking a short survey after this call is completed? It'll only take about 3 minutes.
I usually don't like to do surveys, but you've been really helpful, so I don't mind helping you out.
I really appreciate that, Jake. Stay warm out there in Chicago and have yourself a fantastic day.
Thanks, Riley. You've been really helpful.
You're welcome. Take care.
Remember to watch our other role play videos.